Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Firstly, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Ananda Katrina.
I'm Fedrian Zian.
I'm Teresiana.
And I'm Felix Tirtarianda.
Now we're making procedure video about how to make fresh and yummy juice. Enjoy and happy making!
Firstly, clean the fruit thoroughly. Secondly, remove the skin. Thirdly, dice the avocado, dragon fruit, and apple. Four, add the ice cubes, fruit, and condensed milk into blender and turn on the machine. Blend until the ingredients has been completely pulverized. Five, add the milk into the glass cup. 6. Pour the juice into the glass cup. Seven, for the finishing, add the grated chocolate. Voila! Fresh and yummy juice is done, ready to serve. Easy, fast, and definitely delicious. Now it's your turn to try this at home. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you and
Goodbye.